Hi, so in this video we will learn how we can use the helm package manager to in the pipeline to install the Kubernetes service using the Azure pipeline. So let's get started. So first of all we will create a Spring Boot application, choose the Maven and latest 3.0.3, and I'll go with any name 003 I would name it, and add the one dependency, that is a web, and let's generate the code. All good? Yeah. So let's open the code. I'll copy this code into my work directory, just cicd. So I'll extract the code. So we have ready, and now we will open it to IntelliJ. So I'll create a new existing course and then open, select the Maven, trust this project, and open this new video. So now let's check, all good. Then let's try to run it. Let's check the localhost. So it's working. Now let's create a controller, demo controller, and we have a REST controller. Now we'll have a simple get mapping, say hello, and it has get mapping, and return hello from Azure DevOps demo 003. That should be okay. And here we will put hello. Okay, so that's it. Let's test it. Okay, so now let's test. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create a helm package, that is chart folder. So I have already created, and I will just copy and paste over here. So here we have a chart, we have a template has a deployment and service, and then we have the value file will have, we will this is our repository in Azure, and let's change it to 003, and this will be our image, and I will tag it as a 1.0. So for that we will also create a zip plugin. So I'll just have that plugin, and I just put over here. It's very simple one. So what zip plugin will do, let's first of all remove these errors and all. So into the properties, yes. Okay, so now, so this is a simple Google Zip Maven plugin. It will use the base image as a JDK 1.7 from Microsoft. We have a username and we have a password. So where is this username and password? This is in Azure website portal, and let me open my portal, and we have a container registry, and this is our registry, and then we have an access key. An access key has a username, and this is a password, okay, as an admin username and password. So this is what exactly we are doing over here. And let's first of all refresh the Maven library. Okay, look good. Now in the life cycle, in the plugin, first of all let's clean and compile. Okay, that's good. Let's compile the code and using the zip build. So first of all, we will test over in local and then we'll use the pipeline. So this may take a little while. Okay, so now it has been completed. So now go to the uh, development site dev azure.com and create a new project. Say called demo 003 and let's create it. Okay, so the project has been created. Go to the repo and just select this portion. So first of all, we will init with git using the git init command. Now let's paste it. Okay, so now let's git add all. So and commit the first commit. Okay, so now let's push. Sorry. So now just copy this command and just paste it. So our the whole repo should be pushed into the Azure development. So let's refresh. We're already there. So what we'll do first of all, we'll do create the CI pipeline. So set up a build, select Maven, and we'll have to change this JDK because we are using the 1.17. Okay, and inside the package we can use clean compile and gbuild. So this will push our image into the uh, Azure repository and save and run in fact. So let's wait for project to complete, the pipelines to be complete, sorry. So let's wait for some time, watch it. So our build has been successful, but before that we will have, because ham required published artifacts, uh, the chart files. So what we'll do, we will add additional task. Okay, so this task will not um, a big problem for us to understand. So this is a simple publish pipeline artifact. So what we'll do, it will select the whole workspace and it will publish it to the Azure side as an artifact. So we'll change this name to 3 because I have already created a demo 003 2. So that's it, and save again and run this pipeline. So pipeline has completed. So our CI side CI pipeline completed. So now we'll go for a CD pipeline. So we'll go for a release on a new pipeline, that is a release pipeline, and then we'll select and we'll check for the helm. Okay, and let's select the artifact. Source is demo03 and just add it. Okay, now click on this one job 3 task. We don't need this helm in it, and here some settings are there. Azure subscription. So currently we require this because we need and Azure Kubernetes service, that is AKS connection. So what we'll click on this manage and just create a new service connection. Select the Azure resource manager. Next, create service principal automatic. Next, and then just sign in. with your ID if it is asking. And select the resource group. In my case, this is the resource group for the Kubernetes service, and just a case whatever name that you want, connection 1, and save it. So meanwhile, I would like to say that whenever you are trying to create such a pipeline, then make sure that your Azure container registry is attached with your Kubernetes service. Otherwise, it may create a problem. Okay, so now let's go to the pipeline again, new release pipeline, and just make it refresh over here and select the AKS connection. Now select the resource group and the Kubernetes cluster that you are going to deploy. Okay, so that's it. And ham upgrade. So here this is ham upgrade. First of all, it's a deployment process. We required all the connection and all, and now in a ham upgrade, just go with all the default things which have been filled automatically. And in the chart path, just select on the three dots, select this automatic artifact that we have published in a CI pipeline. You have to select the chart folder, expand it, and select this chart folder where our values chart and all there. So helm command can pick up that value. Just change this number, name demo 003 or any other name that you want. Just force it, select force, and save. So it is already saved. And now create the release. Select stages and create it, and click on this release and just select or click the button deploy and check the log. Sorry, I deploy and check the logs. So this may take also a little while. If everything is good, then we'll get a green signal on the whole job, and we can check into uh, helm command line, or we can also try using the IP address which will be given by the service, kubectl service, and we'll check that. So let's wait for time. So everything will be shown in a console. I'll pause the video for time because this also takes time. So all look green. So let's go to the command prompt and check the helm list to check all our deployment using the helm. So it look good, demo 003. So now let's kubectl get pods. So a third one is also running, and kubectl get deployment is also running, and now svc. So we have an external IP, and before that we can also check the logs of the pod. So copy this and just check kubectl. Okay, it's a typo. So looks good. Now let's copy this IP and paste into the browser. Okay, so now our endpoint was hello. So this is a demo 003. So that's it for a simple, very fast that I gone, but the concept already very easy to understand. This is, I have not tried to make it very complex. So that's it for in this video. We have learned a lot. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.